Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how I do a quick bronzy soft glam eye. I've done most of my base already, but I've left a few things out because I wanted to show you some new products. Go in with shadow sticks. These are so easy to use, especially if you're not great at doing eye makeup. They literally go down and they're like a crayon. They are so easy. The one I'm using today is the Charlotte Tilbury Colour Chameleon in Amber Haze. And I'm just gonna put this on, soften this down, but we don't want to lose the pigment, so it's quite a stiff brush just because I want to pack it down. I'm next going to go in to amp up the colour, make it more bronzy. This is a MAC shadow called Quick as a Flash. It's the Extra Dimension eyeshadow, beautiful tone. And just pack that on top of that shade. I like to put the colour in the inner corner just to really brighten up your eyes. I'm next going to go in with a lighter shadow. This will give it more dimension. So we want to brighten the bronze in the middle. So it's like, it's not very visible, but it is visible if you see your eyes close up. So I'm going in with a smaller eyeshadow brush. This is a Bobbi Brown eyeshadow brush, and this tone is slightly lighter. And we're going to work this in the middle of the eye, so where the mobile eyelid is, just to give it, so you can see it's like a pop of light in between that bronze. It's subtle, but it makes a difference. It makes it not so flat, which I love. See eyes? With my mineralized skin finish bronzer. This is by MAC. I've been using this bronzer for many years. Just a really fluffy eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to soften the edge and just put the bronzer into my eye makeup look. So I like to work this shadow under my brows and down the nose, and always keep the shadow high because we're lifting the face. I'm now going to try this new product by Patrick Tar. It's the Cream Blush Duo. And the shade I picked up for summer is She Is Left in Red. So I'm going in with the cream first. I love red in the summer. Red and orange is so gorgeous. I'm just going to put that on with a Refy brush. Now going in to the powder red, I'm just going to set over the cream. Now it's really pigmented, and it probably looks really strong on camera because blush is the first thing that disappears, so I'm putting on a bit more than I would normally put on. But when we do more concealer, this will all come down. Go in with my pink camo concealer. This is my brightening concealer. For Velvet Puff and my Charlotte Tilbury setting powder. I've got a new one. Oh god, I go through loads of these. So good. It's one of my favourite setting powders because it's so finely milled. Never looks cakey. And you can reapply. I used this on my wedding renewal as well. And it was in the heat. It was in the Maldives, it was in the heat, and it was so easy to apply. It did not make my makeup look cakey at all. It's just my favourite go-to pressed powder. So just where it gets shiny, and then under my contour. Elf eye curler, and I'm going to lift my lashes. Morphe eyeliner in Trendsetter. I'm going to tight line my eyes. Really work. And then I'm going to do a soft wing on the top. Next, going in with the brush, I'm just going to wiggle over that brown. We want it soft, and just drag the shade out. Because this is soft glam, I wanted to line my eyes because I love my waterline lines. But I wanted to go in with a different shade that would complement this look. So I'm going in with this bronze liner called Editorial by Morphe. I think it's just Lash Sculpt, which is designed to pick up every single lash. So we've already lifted our eyelashes, so it makes it easier to grab with mascara. I'm just going to go in with this mascara and you'll really see the difference. As you can see, it's picking up the smallest lash. I'm now going to go in with my MAC highlighter. And I'm just going to tap over the middle part. Again, creating balance. Tiny bit under my brow bone. Lay that under the wing. So the light catches it, it looks stunning. Tiny bit on the nose. Rub the Cupid's bow. Now I'm going to go in with my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. Setting everything down. And this is the skin. This is literally my favourite skin. Today I haven't used any foundation. I've used my L'Oreal Glotion, my Bobbi Brown primer. So this makeup is nice and light. It feels comfortable on my skin. I'm imagining it in the heat. I can't wait to get to Marrakesh. And that is the skin. Lips, I'm going to try this new lipstick. It's a dark brown, which is, it's actually really stunning. The colour is called So 90s. It's by Charlotte Tilbury. And it's a very rich chocolate brown, which I think will look stunning with these bronzy eyes. Really nice. So I'm going to go in with a liner first. This is Cork by MAC. The shape of the lipstick makes it so easy to apply, so you don't need a lip brush or anything. It's just easy to put on. I love this shade, and I feel like in the evening on holiday, this with bronzy eye, lovely glowy skin, looks really flattering. So this is the look, guys. I hope you like the look. I hope you managed to pick up some tips and tricks along the way. If there's anything else that you would like to see me record, please let me know. It is a new YouTube channel, so if you like and subscribe would really help me. And also just let me know what you'd like me to film, and then I've got some content ideas. I have got some ideas that I want to share with you all. But in the meantime, thank you for watching and have a lovely Easter, and I will see you after Easter. Take care. Bye.